Today I'm going to teach you how to make Christmas morning scones. Little Christmas trees. Kids and everyone will love it. So here we go. Hey, I'm starting out with a half a thing of cream cheese that I had softened. I put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds. I've got 1 egg. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of vanilla. That's about right. And then I'm going to put, there's my oven, 400 degrees. And I'm going to put 1/4 cup of sugar. And a teaspoon of salt. I was surprised it called for a teaspoon, but I'm going with it. Okay, let's see if we can cream that together. These are going to be so yummy. Smash that all in there. Okay, now I'm going to add 2 cups of flour. I'm using my organic flour today. It's an all-purpose flour. Okay, then I'm going to add, calls for 6 tablespoons of sprinkles, and we'll see if I can get there. If not, I'm going to use what I got. Oh, looks like I'm going to make it. Wonderful. Boy, that worked out really good. I just got these rainbow sprinkles from the Dollar General. Okay. And then, let's see what else. Oh, a 1/3 cup of cream. I'm using half and half. I didn't have cream, so I've got a 2/3 cup here, so I'm going to do a half. And let's see what we got. Christmas morning scones. What's nice about this recipe is if your kids are fussy with nuts and fruit, this is just a total kids fun thing to eat for Christmas morning. Can't beat it. Okay. And I've got this butter, and I froze it. And I am going to shred it in there. And that way it's going to get evenly put all over there. Said to put it in the freezer. I've never done this, but I've seen it done. So let's see what we got here. That's working. I borrowed this shredder from my neighbor because I got my other one packed. Oh, that looks like it's working good. I have seen it where they put a little flour on the grater, and that helps it a little bit too. So I'm going to do that real quick. Yeah, it does. Just a little flour on the grater, and don't get your knuckles, whatever you do. I'm going to put some on the It works good. You get all these tips from all these cooks. All right. If it's got a chunk of butter, I'm not going to worry about it. It'll just be a real flavorful spot. All right. Let me rinse my hands off real quick. Okay. And we're going to do something really fun with these guys. We are going to roll them in a circle, and I'm going to cut them into wedges, and we're going to turn them into fun Christmas trees. The kids will love this on Christmas morning. Nothing to it. Okay. So I'm going to put some flour on my counter here. Get that all incorporated like so. And you can see all those little sprinkles in there. Boy, that worked out good. All right. And then sprinkle some more flour on it. And what you want to do is make it into a nice circle. I feel a couple more chunks of butter in there, but I think it'll be okay. Okay. I'm going to roll it in a ball like so. Try to make sure all those sprinkles are dispersed. And I'm going to roll this in a circle. Like so. I want to tuck those sides in so that they've got a nice top on them. These are going to be so pretty. And I'm going to make some green frosting. And then we're going to, I don't want to make them too thin. You know what? I forgot my baking powder. So it takes 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Oh my goodness, you guys. So I gotta work that in. But I guess my butter will get worked in now. Oh my goodness, that would have been a disaster. I had it crammed in there so little, I didn't see it. Oh my goodness. Well, give me more of a chance to get that butter incorporated in there. Okay, we're gonna try this again. Glad I didn't put any water in my bowl. Okay. Now we're gonna try that again. I'm gonna tuck in those sides so it's a nice, I want them to be a nice shape so that when I dip them in the green glaze, that they're gonna be nice and smooth. And I'm glad I put the baking powder. Oh my goodness. I've done that before. It's not fun if you go through all the work and expense. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay. I want to make a nice circle. I want these to be like 1 inch thick so that when they bake, they're just a nice scone. Look at all those sparkles, how cute. And kids love this stuff. This will be a go on Christmas morning, believe me. All right. Tuck all that in. I think we got it. All right. Now, take my knife, put a little bit of flour on it, and I'm going to cut these like so. I think I'm going to cut them more than I normally do because I want there to be enough. I'm actually going to take these to my karaoke friends tonight. I can hear the sprinkles crunching. Okay. I think these are going to turn out really cute. And then, like so, and then like so. And the people that like the bigger ones can take the bigger ones. And okay, I'm going to put these on a cookie sheet. I'll be cookie sheet. I'm going to try to put these on kind of gingerly. Let's see. And kind of reshape them if they need reshaping a little bit, you know, so they're like a Christmas tree shape, because that's what I'm going to try to make these, like a Christmas tree. Giving them plenty of room to bake. Look at how fun these are with the sprinkles in them. And like I said, your fussy eaters that don't like fruit and nuts and stuff, there you go. Okay. And that cream cheese in there, oh, they're gonna be so good. I love scones. They're one of my favorite things to eat. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in a 400 oven for 10 to 12 minutes, and I'll meet you on the other side. While those are baking, I'm gonna go ahead and make my glaze. So I'm gonna take 1 cup of powdered sugar, little bit of milk. I'm going to take half a teaspoon of vanilla and put just a little teeny dash of salt. And then I'm going to, let me grab another spoon. I'm going to add some green food coloring for our Christmas trees. Just a little bit, a couple drops. Let's see what that gets us. I'm just gonna put, like, it says 2 tablespoons, so I'm gonna start out small. And with this glaze, if you don't have enough milk, you add more. If it gets too thick, you add more powdered sugar. That's all there is to it. What a pretty color. Now that was 2 drops of green. You don't want this too thick and you don't want it too thin. This is a glaze now, and I would suggest that you make them early in the morning and let the glaze, you know, kind of dry on them. Don't cover them up right away. Okay, I think we got that. I think that's good. Because what I'm going to try to do is dip them in there, and we're going to see how that works. If it doesn't work, then I'm going to spread it on. And I've got these sprinkles, and these sprinkles, and I'm going to take this icing that I had from another cookie the other day, and I'm going to make like a tree thing on it. It should be fun. So I'm gonna, when they get out of the oven and cooled off, I'm gonna bring them back over here. Okay, so I'm gonna start out, move some of these out of the way. Some of them folded over a little bit, but that's okay. Maybe if you bake them more in a circle, they won't tend to flop over a little bit. So, all right, I've got my glaze here. And I'm gonna attempt to dip this in it, just to make life easy without breaking it. Okay. And then I'm going to take my, I cheated and bought Walmart white icing and get it off. And then what I'm going to do is make a cute little squiggle like that. How cute is this? The kids will love it. Actually, everyone will love it. Okay, and now I'm going to take my little sprinkles. Oh my gosh, is that adorable. Okay, and I'm going to set these to dry on my cookie sheet that's already cooled off. Look at that. Is that adorable or what? Little Christmas trees. And you really want to let them dry if you can. So I'm going to try to dip this one. This one kind of fell over a little bit, but all right. So it's kind of a 2 Christmas trees together, we'll say. So I'm going to decorate it like it is 2 Christmas trees. They get 2 for the price of 1. How's that? You can make a little squiggle at the top for a little star if you want. And then I'm going to do this Christmas tree on this side. I let these cool for 30 minutes. And I think that was enough. You might want to wait an hour. See, when you get 2 Christmas trees, you improvise. Okay, I'm going to try a different, try a different one. Oh, how fun is that? Look at that. Isn't that cute? Okay, when I get these all decorated, I'll come back. Okay, I've got them all decorated now. And I think I'm going to bring them to the party just like this because you really want to let them dry. But are those cute or what? And if anybody says it's not a perfect tree, you just tell them it's a Charlie Brown tree. I always put my hand over that. I got to learn not to do that. I hope you enjoyed my little video. Remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. And love the Lord with all your heart. Until we meet again. And I hope you're having a great Christmas season.